So this is one of my favorite places to hike. As you can see, well, as you can't see yet, but now you'll be able to. This is the American River Canyon. Beautiful place, and I like coming here because it's got a lot of vertical, so I can do some great cardio here. It's really cool. And I'm testing out my new Canon Elph 330HS. I'm hoping that the audio is better than it was on the 310HS, and it probably will be because the microphones are built towards the front looking at me now versus on the 310 they were on top, and it just would miss stuff. But there's also a bit of a breeze here, so there may be some wind noise. I've got the wind filter turned on, so that may help. But anyway, I love this place. I can hike here from my house, and it's just too cool. Okay, more tests coming up later. This is another favorite part of my hike. It's the bottom, and as you can see, it's quite beautiful. The river's down here, and this is the American River Canyon. The dam they were going to build here is just upstream from here. Really pretty spot. It's about a 1,200 vertical climb to the top. Great workout. I try to go up as fast as I can, get my heart thumping. It's good for my glaucoma, vision, health, all that usual stuff. If you look real closely, this will be a test. There are geese right there somewhere. Right, I think they're right in the center of the frame there. No, a little bit to the right. That might be them right there. Yeah, I think that's them right in the center of the frame. Two geese. This is my second spring here now, and it's cool to see them. I don't know if they're the same geese that show up year after year, but sometimes I'll see them swimming down in this little hole here, and of course there's not much current this year either. Big change. Usually there's more water flowing this time of year, but California is in the midst of a big drought and probably going to be in one for a while, so even just seeing this much water may be a rarity. Kind of sad. California's changing, but it is what it is.